Hello. This is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the city where I live. For many years, I've been studying the periodic table of elements, and I did many studies of it. Tried to remember atomic numbers, atomic mass, atomic symbol, element's name, the history, who discovered the elements, the shells, the ions, all those stuff, the bondings. And it took many years to formulate an easier way to remember these things on a periodic table of elements. All these things have to be memorized, and I came to the conclusion that you can incorporate the chemical symbol and atomic numbers of the elements of the periodic table with medical terminologies and abbreviations and acronyms and stuff like that. I made some videos on this, and I wish to continue this today. You be the judge, all right? And if you can, now I know now that I can incorporate both of them together, medical terminology with the chemical symbols and atomic number of the elements. Now I can study both of them together. So if you want to study both of them together, here's the way to do it. We got the Crine or Crine, C-R-I-N-E, Crine, okay? And it means to secrete, Okay, that's the integrating system. You got the integrating system, right? You got it? And now you take the C, the capital C and the small r, and put a 24 atomic number, and Cr is for chromium. Okay, Cr. Then you take the I, the small I, and make it to a capital I, and put 53 atomic number for iodine. You take the Ne, make the N a capital N with a small e, and put a 10 atomic number for neon, which is a noble gas. Okay? And that's what you have. Now, I'm going to write all these names. I'm going to write all this clearer in the description box below. Just go to the description box below, okay? Then you have Clysis, C-L-Y-S-I-S, which means, in medical terminology, it means irrigation, washing and irrigation. Okay, so I took the Cl, I made a capital C, a small l, and put the atomic number 17 for chlorine. A capital Y, I put 39 atomic number for yttrium. And I took a capital S and small I made it into capital S, put a small I, and made a capital S here. And I got 14 atomic number for silicon. I took the S here and put a 16 atomic number for sulfur. Yttrium is spelled Y-T-T-R-I-U-M. The description box below I will rename these things. Okay? Or you can do it another way. You can say chlorine, Cl. You can use Y, 39. But you can use I. But you can use S. Instead of Si, use S. 16 for sulfur. Use the I, capitalize the I by itself. 53 atomic number for iodine, and again sulfur again 16. There's two ways to do it. See, there's one way to do it, and here's another way to do it. All right, and then you got Centesis, which means to remove the removal of fluid. An aspiration. You don't have to. You remove fluid usually by needle. You aspirate the fluid. Paramedics did this on the field with the patients. They'll put a big needle. There'll be some fluid going around the outside of the heart and between the heart and the white fiber of the pericardium. And to relieve that pressure of the fluid, the paramedics or doctors will put a needle into that area, the pericardium area, and aspirate the liquid or the fluid. So you'll see this all the time. I took the CN, the CE for cerium, and 58 for atomic number, capital N for nitrogen, 7. TE for tellurium, see here, Tellurium, tellurium, that's 52, atomic number, capital S, small I, 14 for silicon, and a capital S for sulfur. Okay, you got it? I'm going to write all this down in the description box below, okay? So you don't have to worry about it. All right, if you want to study both the medical terminology and atomic symbols, atomic numbers, and chemical symbols and everything, you can do that. All right, this is Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live, over and out.